crate. I had opened around 10 of these crates, but I got nothing sadly. I got only these 3. I wanted the BK-51 anyway. Today we are gonna open the Jungle Ops crate. And now let's see what is our luck. Please. Okay. What we got? We got this karambit. Okay, no problem. So what we are gonna do? We are gonna hop onto a match. One second. Yeah, we are gonna change our loadout, and we are gonna put karambit. Wow, look at that thing. So now let's hop onto a. Is there anything called? Okay, nothing over there. We are gonna hop onto a team deathmatch. Nuketown, so that Nuketown would be very good for sniping. So that's why I'm going to Nuketown. We're gonna hop onto that match and show you guys some karambit gameplay. Yeah, you like karambit? I like karambit. This is my first karambit. What is happening? I don't know. So I'll meet you guys when I find the match, because it is thing really wrong. Okay, so now I am in the match and I'm gonna show you some good karambit gameplay. Yep. See this knife. Wow, such a cool knife, bro. This is better than an Arctic 50 also. You see, karambit.
Team deathmatch.
I wanna do what? Karambit. Okay? Let's go.
Target in sight.
What happened?
Need backup.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I'm not so good at knifing. Anyway, still the MVP. What is my team name?
16 enemy UAV spotted.
Oh my god! What a sniper! What a sniper! What a sniper! Karambit timers, nice.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. Sniper!
Good job. Wow, I'm cracked, dude.
Shock RC is ready. Deployment. Contact with enemy!
Oh!
Enemy UAV
I will 550.
Need backup!
Friendly shock RC is coming. Be advised, hostile sentry gun started. We got a team. is standing by.
Get down! Sniper!
Yo! Yo!
Be online. Friendly shock RC incoming. Friendly shock RC has been destroyed.
Wow, this is really good.
Be online.
Actually, I was
Team
I killed him. See, this karambit is such cool gun. Enemy got 13 kills with this karambit. Bro. Thank you for watching. And now let's open the crate number 2. Okay, so now we are going to open our second crate, which I have already opened. Yeah. You know what? 2 days ago, I had opened this underwater demolition kit, only 10, as you can see, but I forgot to record. Since I had recorded, but it did not save, also the game. So I am doing it again. So I had opened 10-1. I got this Pharaoh, I got this J358, and I got this Storm. So I have already made a loadout of it. Loadout number 10. So I have equipped the Pharaoh, as you all can see. I have also equipped the Charm, as you all can see. And I have also equipped J358. So now let's hop to a TDM match and show you guys some gameplay of it. So I'm in my game number 2 with the new Pharaoh, J358 and the new Charm. Was that right? Enjoy it! Oh, this is my loadout. 10. Let's go. Pharaoh!
Team deathmatch.
Small, nice Pharaoh. My small, fine Pharaoh. Today we are gonna show you
Enemy contact.
something really, really cool. Its animation is so good.
Get down! Sniper!
Shock RC is coming. Shock RC has been destroyed.
What is happening, team?
Taking the lead. Recon standing by. UAV recon standing by. Heads up.
यार
Changing mag! Cover me!
that one. Yo, I didn't see him come on.
Down! Reloading! I'm down! I got shot! Sniper! Reloading! Cover me! Hurt!
Don't that this one is not good.
Changing mag!
Got that one. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll be coming back. Bye bye. Oh.